Hi, today I'm going to talk about a specially formulated fruit facial which I have made for the Salon range, and it has all the goodness of fruits in it. Now, what does this facial do, and why have I come out with a fruit facial? Because a fruit facial has AHAs, as you all know. It has BHAs, that's what fruit has. It has vitamins, it has minerals, and it really helps the skin to glow. You will find it will not only help your skin to glow, because of all the AHAs and BHAs, it helps to exfoliate, take away all the dead skin. So it detoxifies also. It helps to brighten the skin. So you'll have a lovely, glowing, bright skin. It helps a tan. Now, because of course, what a fruit's got, quite a lot of fruits have got a lot of vitamin C. So it helps the tanning. It helps to rejuvenate. And it's really a fantastic facial for anyone which would like to have the goodness of fruit from your kitchen into this product. So it is a wonderful, wonderful facial. And in this facial, it's a 5-step facial, so it's very simple and easy to do. And it takes just about 55 minutes. So you'll have 50 to 55 minutes. Within an hour, you all can finish this facial. This is something that is specially done for you. And also, what does it have? It helps, in this we'll have a cleansing gel, we'll have an exfoliating gel, we'll have a massage gel, fruit face pack, and also a sunscreen gel. So now in this you're going to have 5 facials. So I'm going to just take it out and show you how it is and what we have with it. Okay, so it comes in a container like this. In this one container, you are going to have everything. Yeah, we have the fruit cleansing gel, which helps to cleanse your skin, and it also helps to detoxify. And I really would like you to use this cleanser twice on the skin, okay? And then we have the exfoliating mask. The exfoliating mask is full of AHAs and BHAs because of the fruits, like, we have sugar cane, which gives you the glycolic, we have apple, which gives you the malic acid, we have orange, which gives the vitamin C, okay, and we have grape. We have the whole range of fruits that exfoliate, that is in this exfoliator. So you will get a beautiful exfoliation which takes off all your dead skin and makes the skin bright and clean. The next, we're going to have a massage gel, a fruit massage gel. Now in this we have all the revitalizing and rejuvenating agents. So as you are massaging the skin, you can actually see the skin come alive. This really makes the skin come alive and gives it that glow and rejuvenation that you need. Then comes the face pack. Now the fruit face pack is fantastic. It helps to brighten, it helps to take away a tan, and it helps to really make your skin glow. It's a wonderful face pack. Keep it on for 20 minutes and then remove it. You're going to find the whole difference that there is. And last but not least, we need a protection agent when the client goes out, and we have a sunscreen again, which is a sunscreen which again has got all these fruits in it that really help to protect your skin. So this is what comprises of the complete fruit facial. It has just 5 steps and it takes 55, and you'll have to see the effect to believe it. I really love this facial. I've had a lot of fun creating this facial for you, and I wish you all the very best in using this, and I hope it really works for you and your clients. Thank you.
Blossom Kochhar Aroma Magic Fruit Facial. This 5-step facial takes about 55 minutes and is recommended to be done once in 15 days. Before beginning the facial, sanitize your hands as well as your clients. Take a few drops of bergamot essential oil on your client's palm. Ask them to rub their palms gently together. Ask them to breathe in deeply 3 times and breathe out. Step 1. Fruit cleansing gel. Clean the face with the cleansing gel, massaging for 2 minutes. And wipe it off with damp cotton or wipes. For double cleansing, we will clean the face twice in the same way. Step 2. Fruit exfoliating mask. Cut open sachet number 2 and remove the sheet mask. Gently unfold the mask and place it on the face, adjusting around the eyes, nose, and mouth. Smooth the mask down following the contours of your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and remove it. Wipe off remaining residue with damp cotton. Proceed to remove blackheads and whiteheads if necessary. Step 3. Fruit massage gel. Massage the gel onto the skin for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not wipe off after finishing the massage. Step 4. Fruit face pack. Apply the contents of sachet number 4 all over the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave the pack on for 15 minutes. Wipe it off with damp cotton. Step 5. Sunscreen gel. Apply the sunscreen gel all over the face and neck to ensure maximum sun protection.